Welcome to the video. We are going to solve modular exponentiation for large numbers. So in this question you are given three integers x, n and m. Now you have to return x raised to power n and modulo m. Okay, x raised to power n modulo m. So the first approach which comes to your mind is you can return x raised to power n mod m. Okay. And this is not incorrect also, it is correct, but it will take a lot of time when the value of x and m will increase. So as you can see, it is able to pass only this much test cases. So we can conclude that this is not a bad approach, but it is not an optimized one. So we need to optimize it. How? So first of all, I will create a variable result with 1. Okay. Then while the value of n is not 0, while value of n is not 0. Okay, while n is greater than 0. Okay. Now first condition, if n is odd, we will multiply the value of x with the result. If n is odd, we'll multiply x with the result. Cool. We'll multiply x with the result. Then do modulo. Okay. Then do modulo. By this time, x will not be odd. X will not be odd, but x will be even. Okay. X will be even number. So square the x, square the x and reduce it. Square the x, reduce it, and divide the value of n by 2. Divide the value of n by 2. Come out of the loop, return the result. So as you can see, if n is odd, multiply the result with x and do the mod. Otherwise, if n is even, square the x and reduce the modulo and divide the n by 2. As you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly. It took very less amount of time, just 0.05 second. Okay, so I hope you learned a beautiful concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.